All the routers in Autonomous System 65123 have collectively decided to use the path via router 1 to router 4 to reach the 45.1.1.0 network. It's a group decision being enforced through the manipulation of the local preference attribute. Router 1, which sets the routes advertised into the autonomous system with a value of 200, becomes the selected exit point. The default value is 100 and a higher value is preferred. How can we enable a router, say router 2, to be an individual and make its own decisions? The answer is the wait attribute. Wait is a Cisco-defined attribute that enables a router within an autonomous system to make a decision different than the rest of the autonomous system. Let me show you. On router 2, enter the command neighbor 25.1.1.5 wait 300. Router 2 will set the wait for the routes advertised from router 5 to 300. The default wait value for routes received is 0. Check router 2's BGP table. The wait is now 300 and router 2 prefers the path through router 5. Viewing the BGP tables of router 3 and router 1 will reveal that their decisions have remained unaffected. The route that they now have from router 2 has a wait of 0. This is because wait is specific to the individual device and is not advertised to any neighbors, internal or external.